Ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist. And I just wanted to talk to you guys quickly about strawberries. Ooh, these came from a farmer's market. So fruit in general is very good for you. And we kind of talked about it in the live from Saturday, which was about food combining principles. And fruit you typically want to eat by itself. But the thing that I love about strawberries and berries in general is that they're high in antioxidants. And you may hear that a lot, but I know some people probably don't even know what antioxidants are. But they're these, they work against the free radicals in your body. So from oxidative stress, you can get the free radicals, which can cause cancer and other chronic diseases. So by eating berries and other fruit, it gets rid of that. And another thing that I said about fruit is that it is a cleanser. So it's, like a broom in your system. So that's all I wanted to tell you, ladies. Have a great rest of your day. And I will talk to you all again soon. God bless. Love you all. Bye.